Sambonani nonke, we as Umbuto Zion would like to say thank you to all essential workers that have placed their lives on the line during the height of the pandemic and ensuring that the economy of the country and our well-being as a country was put first and before their own. We'd just like to say thank you and keep up the phenomenal work.
Wazi wathwalis phambano, wazi wathwalis phambano, wathwalis phambano, ohlazo lwami, ohlazo lwami, waze wathwalis phambano Jesu, wathwalis ohlazo lwami,